Hello students, how are you? My name is Jitendra Kumar. I am a lecturer in English and currently working at District Institute of Education and Training, Madina, Rohtak. Students, before I start my topic, I want to ask few questions from you. Students, do you remember any incident in your lives which has a great impact on your mind? Have that incident changed your mind or heart? Yes, you have understood. Today I am going to discuss a poem with the same topic. The poem name is Dust of Snow and it is taken from class 10th English book First Flight. The poem Dust of Snow is written by American poet Robert Frost. He is labeled as a rural poet because he has chosen simple themes in his poems. Though his poems seem very simple, but they have deeper meaning inside. Dust of Snow is no exception. It seems very simple at surface level, but has a deeper meaning inside. The poem describes a simple incident in the life of the poet, but that incident has a deeper meaning in his life. Let us start with learning outcomes of the poem. First learning outcome of the poem is the learners will be able to recognize about the rhyme scheme of the poem. Second learning outcome is the learners will be able to recognize the symbols used in the poem. Third learning outcome is the learners will be able to admire nature. And fourth learning outcome is the learners will be able to apply the knowledge in their daily life. Let us read out the text of the poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. For better understanding of the poem, I have divided it into two parts. Opening stanza of 4 lines is the first part. It is in the form of an incident in the life of the poet. The closing stanza of last 4 lines is the second part. It is a consequence of that incident in the life of the poet. What happens in the first part? The poet was passing by a hemlock tree. Just then, a crow shook down on him the dust of snow. The second part is the consequence of that incident. The dust of snow, which was shook on the poet by the crow, has changed poet's mood from sadness to happiness, and his rest of the day was saved from wasting. यदि पोएट सैड या पेंसिव मूड में रहता तो उसका वह बचा हुआ दिन भी व्यर्थ चला जाता, लेकिन एक छोटे से सिंपल से इंसिडेंट ने पोएट की सैडनेस को हैप्पीनेस में बदल दिया और उसका बाकी बचा हुआ दिन व्यर्थ होने से बच गया. द पोएम गिव्स अस द मैसेज दैट नथिंग इज स्टैटिक इन दिस वर्ल्ड. एवरीथिंग कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. Particles of snow changed poet's mood from sadness to happiness, and his remaining day was saved from wasting. Another message of the poem is that small things have greater importance in our lives. We should not ignore simple incidents or things in our lives. So this was the poem for today. Thank you.